I will show you how to sort a table in Excel based on multiple columns. Let's check this table. It has 4 columns: date, person, material, and price. The table must have column names in the first row. We select the table, then go to Data, and then go to Sort. Okay, as you can see, we have sorting rules. So first of all, we select the person. This is the first rule based on which we need to sort. Sort on rule is cell values, and order is alphabetical from A to Z. Then we add another level. We need to sort by price. Again, cell values, and we want to see the prices increasing from smallest to largest. Then we click OK. We can see that persons are sorted correctly. And for each person, we can see that sorting by price is also applied.